Hello everyone and welcome to How to Write an Introduction Part 2. In this video, we will talk about how to write background information. What is background information? Background information is basic details about the topic so the reader can understand it better. It explains what the topic is, why it is important, and any facts people should know before reading the thesis statement. Let's see some examples of background information using the topic Dogs Should Be Allowed in Apartments from Introduction Part 1, Hook. We already have our hook completed. It says, what would the world look like if all apartments allowed dogs? Pet owners would be happy, but some people might worry about noise and mess. Now, add background information. What do people need to know about the topic? It says, many people love dogs and think of them as family. However, some apartments do not let dogs live there. They worry about barking, messes, or bad smells. However, many overs believe trained dogs can live in apartments. Let's look at another example. What problems might happen if there were no rules on dogs in apartments? If there were no rules, dogs could be too loud, cause allergies, or misbehave. So this person does not agree with the topic. So this person would explain the bad things about dogs that we need to know. Dogs can be noisy and bark a lot. Some people get sick from dog allergies. Untrained dogs might make a mess or scare people. Dogs make owners happy, but no rules could cause problems. Let's add background information to our hook that is a surprising fact. It says, here's something surprising. Dogs can hear 4 times better than humans. They hear sounds humans can't. We need to explain why that's important. What does the reader need to know about this? Well, dogs hear very well. They can hear sounds people do not notice, like someone at the door. This can help people feel safe. However, dogs might bark at small noises. This can be a problem in apartments. We have one more example. This is our final example. Let's add background info to our hook that is an interesting idea. It says, picture an apartment full of barking dogs. Neighbors would not relax well. Some people worry that dogs bark too much in apartments. It can make it hard to sleep or work. People would be very unhappy because of this. In our next video, we will learn how to write your thesis statement. Thank you for watching.